rainbow corns. And also we got it from Sainsbury's.
And how much were they? Do you remember?
£10.
£10. Well done. Okay, so on the front it says bow surprise. 7 new PuppyCorn with bows.
Oh, and rainbow?
Yeah, so let's see what you two have got. So you have to open it from the side. They've got a little zip there. See?
Here?
It says here, pull here. Are they on the side? Look. Oh. So what have you two been doing in the last weekend?
Nothing.
Nothing. Where did we go yesterday? Do you remember?
No.
No? Where did we go, Gina, yesterday?
London.
Yes, and what did we see?
Dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, we went to the Museum Dinosaur World.
National History Museum.
Yeah, that's what I used to go when I was little. Yeah, and Gina used to come with us. Yeah. Then.
So we've taken the wrapper off. Let's see yours. So Gina, you've got silver. Savannah, you've got purple. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.
Right, let's open it.
Opened it.
Oh my god, that's really cute.
What's here? He peeled that sticker off first. Oh my goodness. Oh, find it, huh? What?
Oh, let's see your one, Gina.
Oh my goodness, sticker. Oh, okay. I don't know what was the baby.
Is that an egg?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a baby egg.
The baby egg, is it?
Yeah, maybe I can do craft with it.
You can do crafts with it.
Cook it.
Let's see.
Can you put it?
Right, it's got plastic on it then.
Can I take it off?
It's got plastic on it.
I got plastic on it. See?
Okay, and Gina's got, I think, blue.
I want a pen.
You will open it.
I got pink. I got purple and blue. What's in here? Let's see what's in here. It's running watery. I got blue.
Oh, that's cute.
Let me see. Oh, I have. Oh my goodness.
That's really cute. Right, let's see. Let's see what you got.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you got a little doggy one.
That's a cow.
Oh, she's got food in there. Look.
That looks like a cow. Not a cow. That looks like a cow. Oh, I have good cars. Yeah, you do have good cars. See, I told you
Okay.
That's it. I'm forgetting. And if she has green, why do I have blue?
Because that's what it came with. Let's see what's in these little packets.
Oh, what's in these little bowls?
These are the...
Okay,
So
one more.
you have got... Savannah, you have got Fluffy. And Gina, you've got Zed.
Z. Z is so. Zed! Wait, I'll just look at the back. So. Richard.
Oh, and you can put them on top of your pencils.
What? Is that rubber?
No, it's not rubber, it's a pencil topper.
Hello? Well.
So let's see what's in here now, shall we? It's a bow surprise. So it looks like there's slime in there.
Yeah, there is slime in there. You have to be careful for the bunny.
Let's see.
Get in there. Gina, move your stuff out of the way. Upsy daisy. Yeah, too hard.
Here, rip it down.
Put it here. So, help me. Help me.
Oh, well done.
Slime in there.
There's slime in there.
Open mine. Really gooey. Purple.
The purple one?
Hello. Oh, I want blue. I want the lighter color. I like this color, Mommy.
But that's the one that came with Zed.
Oh my goodness. Where's mine? Oh, hello, puppy.
Hello, puppy.
It's
Oh, she's got wings. Oh, and let's see her bow then.
look at my
Gina's bow is white.
Look at hers, it's
Pink.
And the
Yeah.
horn is pink. Hers is golden.
Oh, yeah, and you got blue.
It was a good idea if
white.
It was a good idea if I got purple.
They're very soft and proper cute. And look at the little nose.
Look.
And you have to collect all together
All of them.
7. So you collected 2.
Oh.
So
Not me.
you've got 5 more to go.
Oh, look. Got the mystery. Can I have mystery? Oh.
Did you like this toy? Did you like this toy?
Yeah.
Are you happy you got it?
Right.
Would you buy it again?
Yes, way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we don't
You're
need
going to have
to.
lots of cuddles with Fluffy and Zed.
Yeah. Yeah. And your mom. Bye, Queen Girls. Mamma Mia. If you like and subscribe, hit the like button. Bye, Boys and Girls. Bye bye.